Hi, and welcome to the brand new episode of the Mail Day with BeardedTinker. Let's open up some more packages. We'll start in 10 seconds. Okay. So, let's check if everything is here. Let's get rid of the box. And let's see what we have here. My attempt to improve sound quality of other videos. Unfortunately, I don't think I will be using this one for the box unopenings. If I change my setup a lot, then maybe yes, but for now this will be used for how-to, home assistant, etc. videos. So this is the mic. It's BM800. This is the stand for it. Let me open it up. So this is the stand for the mic. Okay. Let's check what this is. Okay. We'll see if we need this one or the other one. This is for the table. It should go somewhere like this, I think. Okay, this is some kind of a USB sound card, but as I've read, and also it doesn't look very promising, but I don't need it. This is for the mic. The mic goes inside, so the vibrations are isolated from the arm. Hopefully this will work. And there is a sponge for the wind. But also there is this one. I think I would be using this one. Okay, let me get rid of the plastic bags. I will be using it with my new Euphoria UMC22 amplifier. And since I got in the pack those cables that will not be useful for me, I will be using these cables here that I bought for the mic. And the other side is going inside the mic. Okay. So let's go to the web listing and I'll play a bit with the mic. The name of the store where I bought the mic is 7 Night Store with the 95.0 positive feedback. Currently the microphone is for sale for $24.75, so $24.75, with the shipping of 23 cents to Croatia. I'm really satisfied. Currently this what you're hearing is recorded on that microphone. I have been using it for the last almost 2 months. Everything is working great. Unfortunately the arm is a little bit on the cheap side, meaning that it does hold where you put it, but it somehow like bends and squeaks and yeah, it just doesn't give you trust, but it's working. The microphone is also okay. Inside there is a membrane that receives the sound. You have to position it in front of your mouth so the other sounds that come around that membrane are not recorded. For example, currently my kids are playing, or my kid is playing, and you cannot hear her on this microphone. So overall, I'm pretty satisfied. Customer review is 4.6 out of 5. I presume that all the negative reviews are, yeah, it's time needed for the package to arrive. Okay, this is it. If you are interested, there are a lot of nice reviews on the internet, both on the YouTube or on some websites, so you can check. It's just generic BM800 microphone. Let's open this package. It says cable winder. I have to be careful. These are the two USB extension cords. I will be using them for Queen LED projects. These, I do not need this, but this was the simplest way to get specific length of cable for providing power to the Queen LED board. So I will be using on this side a standard mobile phone charger, and I will cut this cable here, add connector, and connect this to the DHT22 board for the LEDs. Currently I used two cables from the failed keyboards, so I had a couple of keyboards that were not working and I reused cables from them. But I wanted to buy those to have them as spare in the future when I will be adding some more LEDs. These are the USB 2.0, very cheap cables, so it was easier for me to buy those cables than to try and find who has cable that is still working but failed mouse or keyboard. Okay, let's check the web listing. USB extension cables were bought from Lee Store with the 90% positive feedback. I think that this is the lowest score for any store that I bought, but I'm pretty satisfied. I ordered one cable from the 1 meter and one cable that's 0.6 meters from China, so prices are $1.80 for 0.6 meters and $1.35 for the cable in 1 meter in length. I also ordered it with a free shipping. It took a little bit longer for this item to arrive, but it did arrive, and as it said here, it's just charging cable. I never tried to see if it works for anything else, but I only need it for the charging or to connect my LEDs to the phone chargers. Not much to say, they work and that's it. Let's check the next item. Let's open this package. It says integrated circuits. And here it is. This is humidity temperature sensor. I need it for the air quality sensor that I will be building as one of my next projects. I think I still am waiting for the PM2.5 sensor, a particle matter sensor for the air quality, and I think OLED display and the Node MCU. Those are a couple of things I'm still missing. This one will be used as additional heat and humidity sensor in that air quality sensor. Okay, let's check the web listing. Great ZT store with 98.6 positive feedback is the place where I ordered my DHT22 humidity temperature sensor. I need this sensor for the project called Luftdaten, and probably in next few days you will see Home Assistant how-to video for Luftdaten sensor. Luftdaten sensor is it's a website that is collecting data from various air quality sensors, DIY air quality sensors, and it allows you to track air quality in your neighborhood, your city or your street. It can be installed both in-house or indoors and outdoor. For now, I will be doing indoor sensor, but I will be converting it in the future and probably putting it outside. I have ordered some parts to allow me to give power via batteries to this sensor, but this is another topic for another video. So I ordered this DHT22. It is recommended by the authors or by the website for this Luftdaten info sensor. From the time of the opening, I already did try it and it's working great for purpose that is needed. It's needed to calculate relative humidity in the air so that particle matter sensor can work correctly. The cost of the item was $2.65 with the free shipping to Croatia. This package has already been opened by the customs office. Let's see where I can pry it open. I think here somewhat. Okay, here. And here it is. This is the BM2.5 sensor, Nova PM sensor, for the air quality or for the detection of the particles in the air. Let's check the web listing and I'll say a little bit more about it. This is the store where I bought Nova PM sensor or SDS011. It's double lung electronic with 99.5 positive feedback. The price of the sensor currently is $17.20 with the free shipping to Croatia with AliExpress, meaning that item that I ordered really did arrive fast. In the kit you receive this USB stick that allows you to connect it to your computer, but I will not be using it, or I'm not using it. I'm only using this sensor together with the Node MCU and the previous DHT22 sensor to create node for the Luftdaten service. This sensor is used to monitor the condition of the air. It captures data in regard to particle matter 2.5 and PM10. So it should give you rough values, or not rough, it should give you values of the air quality either for indoor or outdoor use. At this point there is not much to say about it. There will be a separate how-to video, me building this unit, connecting it and also hooking it up with the Home Assistant. The item did arrive very fast, although everybody and everything is in some kind of quarantine or stay-at-home mode, but the item did arrive very fast and I would definitely recommend this seller. Let's check this package. Okay. Hopefully this survived. This is small OLED display. I don't know if I will be using it for a project that I bought it for. Yes, let me check it out. It was bought for the air quality sensor I will be building. There is option to include this display, so you can not just receive data in Home Assistant or wherever you want to see, but also to display it on the sensor itself. And the web listing for the last item for today, the store name is Samiore Store with the 99.2 positive feedback. There is an option for this Luftdaten sensor to include also display, so I ordered one, but I do not believe that I will be using it. I was thinking to add a display like this. I think I ordered, let me see, I think I ordered yellow blue or something like that, or blue display. I'm not sure 100% now. but as it is drawing also additional power, and in future I want to power this off batteries, so I've decided not to include this display in the project, but I will be keeping it for some other projects. So this is 0.96 inch OLED display, SSD1306 standard, so it's I2C. I never ever played with these displays before, but from what I've read on the Luftdaten site and other sites, you only need probably some 4 wires to hook it up and get it up and running. But as I said, unfortunately I will not be using them because I think that they will draw just too much power from my sensor. And this is it for today's mail day with BeardedTinker. I tried to make it as short as possible. If you like this video or you like some item here, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any kind of a comment or a suggestion, you can always find me on the Discord, or you can leave comment down in the comment section. If you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified on the future updates. And I will be seeing you next time. Until then, bye bye and have fun.